Good morning. Myself, Dr. Praveen Misra, and today we will discuss about syllabus of electrical circuit analysis of CS video, Bhilai. And in that unit 1 is discussed about unit fun. It is talking about in this syllabus there are 5 units, and where unit 1 is discussing about development of development of circuit concept. Development of circuit concepts. In this, you have to study about relationship between field and circuit concepts for parameter of circuit elements, active and passive elements, uh, information about resistance, inductance, and capacitance, and different types of voltage and current sources available, like independent voltage or current source, dependent voltage or current source. And in that you also have to study about nodal analysis, mesh analysis, super node concept, super mesh concept, and duality of simple circuit and normalizing factor. And in unit number 2 you have to study about network solution and reduction. In this unit you have to uh, know information about how to means solve the network by using different approaches, like a solution of network equations of determination method of network reduction, and superposition theorems, Thevenin's theorems, Norton's theorems, maximum power transfer theorem, reciprocity theorems, Talighan's theorem, Millman's theorem, for a different types of sources in the network, like independent or dependent sources. And you also have to study about star delta transformations and source transformation technique, between how to we can convert voltage source into equivalent current source or current source into equivalent voltage source. In this network solution and reduction, you have to know about how to solve the network and reduce the network to get the our outputs. And in unit number 3 you have to study about magnetic coupled circuit and resonance. In that you have to know about what is electrostatic and electromagnetic principles, coupling, and what is self-inductance, mutual inductance, and what is the coupling coefficient in between them, and complete network solution with conductive and inductive coupling, series and parallel resonance, how we can find out the solution of that, and how to find out the quality factor, bandwidth, selectivity, half power frequency of network, and local diagram of simple series and parallel circuit, how we can draw and solve the network by using them. And in unit number 4 you need to have a study about polyphase circuit. Polyphase circuits, in that you can get information about examples of 2, 3, 4 loop circuits in polyphase circuit and their solutions, and what is balanced star and delta load analysis, and what is unbalanced star and delta load analysis for polyphase circuit. Polyphase means three phase or and so on. Basically, in generally in current power system network, three phase and six phase type of transmission lines or network can be used. Uh, and you will get much more information in your higher semesters in power system network subject. And unit number 5 is non sinusoidal ideal wave forms. In that unit, you can know about the information what are the common non-sinusoidal waveforms, and you have already studied like a Fourier series and analytical evaluation of Fourier coefficients, and exponential form of Fourier series, frequency spectra, periodic waveforms, effective values, and equivalent power factor, solution of circuits with non-sinusoidal current and voltages. In this subject uh, you can you have to study these 5 units, and after this you will get you after this you can be able to solve the different types of network by different types of algorithms or theorems that are available to solve the network or reduce the network, and you you will know about the what are the magnetic coupling, and how to solve the magnetic coupled network, and what is the polyphase circuits or network, and what are the different types of non-sinusoidal ideal waveforms are available and how it will affect the system, and for a different types of sinusoidal waveform, how what are the procedures to solve the network. We will able to uh, get information about all these things. For this, there are few textbooks already. It is mentioned in syllabus, but again I am mentioning here. First is fundamentals of electric circuit, fundamentals of electric circuit by by Alexander and Sedeco. This book publication of this book is TMH publication. This one is the best book through which you can get the basic information about electrical circuit to advanced information about that. And others books are also available, but and second book that you will for you it will be beneficial is electric circuit analysis by Hat and Camerly. This is also TMH publication. You can refer these books for problem solving, and to get the information about the basic information to advanced level. And I think there are other numbers of books are available You can follow them also, but these two books are enough for your curriculum and for competitive exams, like it can be a GATE or it can be a SSC or any type of technical exam, or electrical means electricity board exam. These two books are enough to solve the any types of varieties of problem. Varieties of problem is available with this book, and one book is there. It is not mentioned in your syllabus. That one is a uh, that one is Parker Smith. Author of this book is Electrical Circuit Analysis, same, but author of this book is Parker Smith. This one is a very good book for problem solving. Maybe you have studied about in your 11th or 12th SC Verma physics. In that they have mentioned various types of problems, varieties of problem. Likewise, in this book, varieties of problem is mentioned. You can, if you will follow these three books, and then as per my experience, you will be able to solve the any type of network. Okay, any type of network or circuit. So in next class we will discuss about about unit 1. That one is the development of circuit concept, and then after we will carry on the unit number 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, thanks for listening, and now next class we will discuss about other means unit number 1.